All right. Chitosan, you probably can't read that, but it is right there, gray, the gray writing. Made from shellfish. Their shells. Now, they're also using this in glucosamine and chondroitin. I took it because it was a sort of weight loss recommendation. However, when I looked into it, it said something about absorbing fat. Now, just don't eat fat, you know. I thought it was going to be an appetite suppressant because that's what I looked up for, not a diet. I don't need a diet medicine. I need an appetite suppressant. So, with that being said, I went on it, off it, on it, off it. I can't really say. It's that the effects are not obvious. I think they just give you a bunch of shellfish shells, and your body's like, what's this? Because it's a kind of sugar that we can't break down. I don't think it's worth it. It's kind of like glucosamine chondroitin. You can try it if you get it cheap or you're sharing it with a friend, but otherwise don't waste your money. Let me just read off what they got here. It's a bipolymer found mainly in the exoskeletons of marine invertebrates in arthropods such as shrimp, crabs, and lobsters. Chitin can be found in fungi. Chitosan is deacylated chitin. They use it for absorbing greases and stuff. Anyways, this goes into a lot of probably unnecessary things. Antibacterial dental effects, cholesterol lowering effects, and weight loss. Positively charged amino groups in chitosan bind to negatively charged lipid and bile components, preventing their absorption, like I said. Extensive animal studies have been published demonstrating the effects of chitosan on lipid concentrations in affected animals. Very low density lipoprotein, high density lipoprotein. I'm not worried about those things, so I didn't talk about that. In a recent study, chitosan derived from white mushroom exoskeleton decreased body weight gain and fat mass development in mice fed a high-fat diet. So again, if you're eating a lot of fat, maybe. Small effect on total cholesterol in a meta-analysis on randomized controlled clinical trials. Results of trials are conflicting. So some reported no cholesterol lowering effects. So it just seems like it's a bunch of hype. There was an insignificant effect on body weight in the meta-analysis of Cochrane. By the way, this is on drugs.com. So if you are interested, you might want to go take a look there. That's all I'm going to say about this. I'm kind of tired. It's the end of the day. This is my last video. I'm going to talk to you guys next time. I'm not going to spend time on something that doesn't work. And I don't want to waste your time with it either. So, like, subscribe, share, comment. Talk to you next time.